to your subscribers. They will tell you how you can easily install Facebook on your iPhone and how you can fix error when if you receive error on it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to check your Wi-Fi connection. So just check if you turn on and you successfully connect to your Wi-Fi network, or if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn on here. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help you, after just open App Store and just go to search tab. In search tab you just need to write Facebook, and here you will see Facebook app, so just tap on get, and it will successfully download and install the latest Facebook app on your device. And also you need to have Apple ID for doing this, and if you receive error when you tap on get, so you need to check your if you have the latest software, the latest iOS on your iPhone. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general just tap on software update, and now just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And after, just go back to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just restart your device. And after, just try to download and install Facebook again. So I hope it will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.